Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging the controller into the console or PC with a reliable USB cable. This supplies continuous power and keeps the controller active. Make sure the controller has a charged battery or play and charge pack fitted so the hardware detects power flow. Once connected, watch the Xbox or PC recognize the device. This wired link prevents the idle auto off that wireless battery mode triggers. Now leave the cable in place. That's the first actionable step to stop automatic shutdown. Once the cable is in, confirm the host recognizes the controller as a wired device. On Xbox, go to Devices and Connections. On Windows, check Bluetooth and Devices. If the host has sleep or USB selective suspend settings, turn those off so power to the port stays constant. If you're using an unpowered hub, swap to a powered hub or the console's rear USB. Flaky hubs can drop power and let the controller sleep. Make sure the connection remains physical and steady to maintain always-on behavior. To finish, leave the controller plugged in during use. That continuous power is what prevents auto shutoff. Test with a long idle, 20 to 30 minutes, to confirm the controller stays powered and responds to inputs. If it still turns off, swap the cable to a known working data/power cable and inspect the host USB power settings or sleep timers. Often the issue is the cable or a host power policy cutting current. That troubleshooting tip fixes most stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.